Oh yeah, this truck right here. Uh 72 Chevy. It's hauling cars. Me and my son, we went to pick up a 41 Chevy. Alvin, the guy's number. He he'd been building cars all his life. He'd built that 41 for a guy, and then the guy died or something. He sold it to him. The guy didn't die, but anyway, he got the car back. He got the car, the 41 Chevy, and he sold it on Marketplace or something. I went up there and picked it up and delivered it up north. It wasn't Marketplace, but up to Wisconsin or something. He had this Chevy sitting there in the yard, and he said his nephew had talked about buying it from him. I said, well, if he don't want it, I'd buy it from you. And he said, well, he don't want it. He ain't come and bought it. And I said, what do you want for it? And I think he said $1,000. I couldn't get it that day, but I had $500 on me, and I knew I could come back. I went back like a month later and got it. It's either $1,000 or $1,500, but he'd had it for 30 years. He's a welder down there. I'll show you the back of it, but he got it from his uncle. I think his uncle got it new. He said he quit driving it because gas got so expensive, but he went out there and cranked it up every month. And I was like, hell yeah. I said, how long has it been sitting there, huh? We'd been sitting there like, I think it's got a sticker in the window. Right here. Let's see what it says. Right here. 2006. It's been sitting. And it turned out it'd been like 8 years since he crunk it up. So me and my son went up there and got it with a trailer. And man, we raised the hood on it. And we raised the hood up on it. Well, yeah. Oh, well, anyway, two-head's operation around here. Anyway, we raised the hood up on it and took the breather off of it. It'd be more natural looking if I was using my right hand. So I didn't do that. Oh, crap. Oh, that was stupid. Okay, it's alright. It's alright. I beat myself up pretty fast. I shouldn't do that. Anyways, sit right there. And we, oh yeah. We filled this right here full of gas. And then we went down there to the fuel pump right there. And we took this line off right here. Okay, got it. Anyway, we put a gallon of gas down right here. And like I say, filled that up, got in there, and hadn't been cracking up in 8 years. Put a battery in it right here, and I think, wait, I got the video. Put a battery in it right there. And then I got in it, and we had that trailer sitting way up a hill. And this truck right here, it wasn't gonna be easy to get home. And the back wheels is a dually, of course. And the back wheels just hang over the back of the trailer. I got examples and pictures. Hang over the back right here, right there, right behind that bad tire. One of these days we're gonna fix that. I've been dragging that thing around for months like that. Probably shouldn't do that. I don't know how they get like that. I don't know. They just blow. They just explode. You riding down the road, you know. Had that boy welding me some. That boy. He's a boy. He's a man. He's a badass mother. Oh, good old boy, old Charles. He welded these chains on here for me, and I've been doing that. I used to wrap it around the axle, the chain, and pull the chain through the spokes of the wheel. And I come home one day and I got my trailer and my daggum. I'd wrap it around that spring, and that broke my spring. Somebody had tried to hook up to it and take off with it and broke the spring off of it. And I finally had to put new springs on it. Well, I did. I put new springs on it before I could pull it out of the yard. I had to put one over there. I've got mobile home springs on it now, and they're heavy duty. Anyways. I got some new tires. Well, I don't ever have no new tires, except on the tractor trailers. My tractor trailers, I'd put brand new tires on, but I didn't put them on my truck. Not new ones, and I don't put them on anything. When I need a tire for my truck, I'll just go out in the yard and look for a different truck. If he's got a flat tire on, I'll go get a tire on something else. I got 20 of that same, or somewhere around. I don't know how many I got. I ain't counted in a long time. But probably 20. But, oh yeah. So, this was, Shorty was his uncle. I guess his uncle was a welder too, and he put this truck together. Got 350 in it. Anyways, that's another truck off the rollback. He's got this pretty cool got crane on it, whatever you want to call it. Got a big air compressor on it on the gas models. We just threw that tarp on there. I'm gonna move that tarp. This box on it. And that's what I was saying, it's too wide to go up on that trailer. Got the welder right here. It burns everything now. Anyway, welder. Yes. But anyway, so we didn't want to push it up on the trailer. Had no idea how to get up on there, so we crunk it up and drove it. 8 years has been sitting there. And we crunked that son gun up and drove it up on the trailer. Uphill. Good truck, man. 350, 4-bolt, shorts 4-bolt. 72. Anyways.